So easy and delicious, you'll want to make this snack almost every day. For this recipe we are going to be cutting the edge of 4 loaves, like this, and guys, this snack is wonderful, super easy to make, and it's delicious. I'm sure you all will love it. I'm now going to be cutting 3 slices of ham, into cubes like this here. Grate also 60 grams of mozzarella cheese on the thinnest part of the grater. I'm going to break 2 eggs now. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to beat it very well with the fork. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Scarlett from Michigan. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. Now I'm going to add our bread here, and I'm going to fill it with our grated cheese, and also with the ham, which we cut. Here you can fill it to your liking. I'm going to take a brush to pass the beaten egg, and add it to the edges of the bread, right on his side like this here. And now just put another loaf on top, and close it with the help of a fork, like this here. It is very easy and very practical. I'll make another one here for you to see. Super fast. Now I'm going to be passing the bread in the egg like this, and then passing it a lot in the breadcrumbs like this in a frying pan. Add a thread of olive oil, and put our snack, like this. When I fry one side, I'll be turning over, which is for him to fry the other side. And when it's ready, just take it out. I'll cut a little chives, but it's optional. And I'm going to throw it on top of our snack. Is it delicious, guys? Our snack is ready, and you saw how easy it is to make. It's really delicious. And today's recipe was that, and until next time. Goodbye.